I feel like that's the way to really connect with people. It's a phrase that we hear in journalism school all the time, but it's the showing instead of telling. Like you can tell someone, here are all the details of an event. Please click this link and buy the ticket. But if you're able to dig a little bit more into the story, it makes it more personal to them. It makes them care just a little bit more. At the museum in particular, so much of our mission is based around like being part of the community and building those connections with people. And when people can see that someone from their community was highlighted on a social media post, or, we will sometimes do like member spotlights in our emails. And then obviously in like the media doing interviews on TV or for a newspaper, I think it makes them feel that much more connected to the story, the thing we're trying to get them to do, the end result of come buy a ticket.